Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I do not want you guys to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the videos, there is a thumbs up button. I'm asking you in advance to press it. If you do, the number will go up and it will turn blue. You're simply telling YouTube that you're enjoying my content and that you want them to put my video in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet or find my channel, but they do enjoy this type of content. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. It's the thumbs up right under the video. All right. Today, we are going to be going through the Walmart Beauty Box. This is a seasonal box. It's only $5, and this is their revamped version of what they said was their original box. So I opened up the box. It was covered in a cellophane with my shipping label. The only thing that I saw different in the box for me was the box is a heavier shipping box. It used to have like more of a thinner feel to the cardboard, and inside there was a card, and which I thought was a really fantastic upgrade. So I'm trying this system out that we have, that when I first started my channel I got and I set up. So we're trying it today, so bear with us. We're trying to make sure that we can see everything, because the way the camera is angled is hard for me to see what you guys see, so I'll only know after I film. So wish us luck that this is something that we'll be able to post. All right. The card here, it's really nice. Inside, it has a bunch of items inside here. Some of the items were in the box, some of them weren't. So to me, there might have been some variations, but there's also one item that's in my box that wasn't even on the card. So I went on the website to double check, because you'll see when we get to it, one of the products really surprised me that was in the box based on the beauty profile. And for me, the beauty profile, I could not find it when I went into the system now. So I had to find out a way to contact them. I sent an email and I didn't hear back all day from them. So I figured I'll film this, and then hopefully we'll keep my fingers crossed that some of you guys can leave me a note in the comments where to find the beauty profile, because as we get to the items, you'll understand why. Okay, so I'm going to take the card so I can read to you what is written on here, and then I'm going to show you the items one at a time. So at the top of the card, it simply says, explore our latest collection of our must-try beauty inspired by the season of transition. And then they say you can shop these products and find ingredient information on the walmart.com/TP/shop beauty box. So the first item that's on the card is from Gold Bond, which is this one here. And this is a familiar product in their boxes. I've received this one before. It says this is their ultimate strength and resilience. They're saying see radiant skin even in cool weather. It is formulated with 7 plumping moisturizers. They're saying this lotion has 3 vitamins, proteins, and lipids to help replenish the skin's texture and moisture. They also, what I do enjoy is if you like this product, they do give you what the cost of the full size item is. And the full size of this, which would be a 13 ounce, is $9.48. The next item that's on a card is probably a variation that I did not receive, but I have received it in the past, and it is a good product. It is from the brand called Collab. It's the Unicorn Dry Shampoo. I haven't tried the Unicorn Dry Shampoo, but I've tried dry shampoos from Collab. And it says, give your hair a fall fix with a jasmine and vanilla scent. Brush this dry shampoo through your hair for an invisible lightweight finish with no buildup or white residue. And the full size would be $5.38. The next item that I did receive which I've received in the past from this box as well as from Allure. It is the sample size of the Lumify from Bausch & Lomb. It is the Redness Reliever Eye Drops, and it's called Reveal Eyes. It's the Natural Beauty with Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. It says it will reduce redness in just 1 minute to help your eyes look whiter and brighter, and the full size is $11.97. The next item is one that we didn't receive in this box, but I have received it in previous boxes, and it's one that I've purchased after I received it because I was really impressed with it, and I've even put it into giveaways because I bought so many of them. It is from this brand called Found, and they're saying it would have been assorted sheet masks. And this one says, prep your skin for cool temps with natural botanicals known for their healing properties. These sheet masks solve issues while nurturing your skin to enhance your body and mind. And the full size of them are $1.98, which is a really great price because sheet masks usually start around $3. The next one is the one that's confusing me. This thing is huge, and it is from Mark Anthony, and the item on the little decal that's on here says, it says Salon Created, and it has a cute little scissors on it. And Mark Anthony is a professional brand that if you're a Canadian, you know who he is. And this is the Strictly Curls lotion. That's why I wanted to know where the beauty profile was, because I don't think I would have purchased or ticked off anything that told them that I have curly hair. So this says it is the Go Curly for a natural look this season. This lightweight, non-sticky formula bonds strands to create maximum definition while leaving curls bouncy and soft to the touch. And they're saying the full size, which I thought this was because this is huge, is $6.97, but they're saying the full size should be 8.3 fluid ounces, and this is 5.9. So I'm a little confused about this one, 100%. The next item in here, which we did not receive, is from Dickinson's Alcohol-Free Gentle Balancing Toner. And they're saying you can look radiance for fall with 99% natural distilled witch hazel cleanse and balances skin in one multi-benefit step that's gentle enough to use every day, even with sensitive skin. And that toner would have been, if we got the full size, or if not, the full size is $5.97, and that would have been 16.0 fluid ounces. What I did receive, which is not on the card anywhere, is something that I've received before, and is from the brand called Biore. And I know this brand simply for the ones where you put it on your nose and then you peel it off. This I've used before from them, and it is really, really nice. It has charcoal in it, and it is the Rose Quartz and Charcoal Daily Purifying Cleanser. But like I said, this is not on the card anywhere. And then the last item that we received in the box, I was really happy to get, because in the past we've received products from them from a NYX. I think it was a couple, and it was in a little black container, and it shows 2 on the card here, but in the verbiage it says this is the professional, the NYX, NYX, and it's pronounced NYX, Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. They're saying this butter soft silky smooth gloss delivers sheer to medium coverage in a fab fall shade. It's never sticky and always supple. It stays put and won't feather. And then they mark right beside it, receive 1. And they're saying this is the full size, and it's $4.97, and it should be 0.3 fluid ounces. And I think that's what this is here. It's very, very small, the print. And what I'll do is I'm going to swatch this for you, and then we'll see what the color looks like inside. And here we go. So this is what the wand looks like. It has a little bit of a slant to it, which should make it nicer. Hopefully I'm getting this where you guys can see it. I think we're okay. Yeah, the slant to it so that it's easy to put on. And I enjoy the butter glosses from NYX. So this is what the color looks like, and that's what the wand looks like. So it's a really, really pretty color. And the other color that it looks like in the brochure would have been more of the peachier tone, which is what that one looks like right there. All right, So that's everything that we got in the Walmart beauty box. I'm assuming this is their fall because we did not receive summer. But that's all I have for you guys here today. So like I said, I'm a little confused with what the upgrades were. For all I can see right now is that it is the card with the pricing and the container of the box that it came in. But like I said, if you guys know how to access the beauty profile, I would appreciate you leaving that in the comments down below, because I would like to be able to access it and see when I set this up a long time ago, how I answered the questions. All right. As always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so important that you guys choose to stay well, stay safe, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.